Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. If anybody is keeping score or keeping up with my story and they care, I am still in my glasses. So I had my appointment yesterday, and because I have keratoconus, which means my cornea is cone-shaped, specifically in my left eye, they wouldn't even look at me, which is really frustrating. I was out of my contacts, wearing glasses for over a week, and I asked them 4 times, like, can you please just take like the cornea topography images? And they were like, no. So I'm still in my glasses because less than a week from now, I'm going to a different eye center, one that's more specialized, to see if there is any way for me to get perfected vision without glasses or contacts with my weird eyes. So doing makeup is a challenge blind, but I don't know, I'm just tired of looking like crap. So I figured I would sit down and do a little review for you guys. So I already have like my eyelids primed and my brows on and a little bit of lip gloss, and that is it. So today I want to just put on a nice base on my face and call it a day. So I am going to be trying out a new primer from Beauty Blender. It is the Opal Essence Serum Primer. This puppy retails for $32 for such a tiny bottle. It is an ounce. And if I grab my GCAP Beauty Hydrating Face Primer, that's 1.05 ounces. So I guess an ounce is pretty standard. It just looks a little bit smaller in a bottle like this. So, according to Sephora.com, this primer is a moisturizing and illuminating primer that gives skin a dewy glow while Let's try this again. This is a moisturizing and illuminating primer that gives skin a dewy glow while helping makeup last longer. This is not supposed to make your face look greasy, and it's supposed to glide over skin without clinging to any dry patches or lines, all while keeping skin from looking dull. So it even says that you could just use this alone, so I am anxious to see what it does. The instructions are to either put it on using your fingers or a beauty blender. So I guess I'm just gonna do the Beauty Blender route. I'll shake this up. Yeah, I'm gonna shake this up just cause. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Let's feel this guy. It feels very lightweight. Okay. So because it is so lightweight, that like one dab I did is gone. So I'm gonna need a little bit or a lot of it more to prime my whole face. I'm gonna say that the sides of my nose where my glasses are do not count. They get a pass for the check-in because obviously I'm gonna have glasses on, rubbing on it all day. But I will like to be concentrating on like the sides of my nose and my smile lines, stuff like that. So I feel like my skin looks nice and hydrated. Okay, so I am going to go in with the Dior Airflash Spray Foundation. That scared the crap out of me. The cap just flew off while I was violently shaking this. So this foundation doesn't have like the best coverage, but it looks just really nice and natural looking. So that's why I'm kind of choosing it to test out this primer. Once again, sorry I look terrible. I brushed my hair. That is about it, but I just woke up, so hopefully it can only get better from here. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on some concealer to see just if the primer does anything to my foundation or the concealer or anything like that. So I am going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Snow. I need to replace my Jouer, or replenish my Jouer concealer, because that is my favorite, but there is like none of it left, so I'm kind of hoarding it. Not going for crazy coverage. I just want to not look dead. Alright, now using the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, blend out real quick and then set. Put on a little mascara. And let's see what we've got. Ooh, I have a dry patch there. Okay, it says it wasn't supposed to cling to dry patches, but it did right here. I'm just gonna like scratch that off. Look at that. I scratched it so hard, I made a nice red spot. So right off the bat, that's a lie. It does indeed cling to dry spots. But other than that, I feel like I'm looking like I'm having a good skin day. You know, hopefully this red will go down. So as always, I only think it's fair if I do a check-in in a few hours to let you guys know how this is looking. So hopefully my skin continues to look good. It doesn't cling to any more dry patches, but we will see in a couple hours. Check in with you guys in a bit. All right, so it has been a few hours and let's see what we've got. So sides of my nose don't count, but my nose looks pretty dry. Doesn't look too bad in the crease of my nose. Chin looks a little bit dry. I'm not really sure about this primer. Maybe I need to exfoliate. You know, it's been about a week since I've exfoliated, so I guess it's time to do that, get the dead skin off. I really liked how it looked when I put it on just by itself, so that's something that I could just use to get sort of a glow for the day. But do I think this is worth $32 for my skin type? No. But I think if you have normal skin, that, you know, it would look beautiful and glowy. I mean, my skin feels nice, it feels hydrated, it just looks a little dry. So I will use this by itself and I will try this again just after exfoliating my face, but for me personally, this primer is a pass. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.